Hindi, maganda yung kauna. Kahit kasi naiyak.
Ha? Dapat nakaihaw to eh. Masarap sana to
Kamangot
kung
na nga
iihaw.
eh.
Wala eh. Ganimutan eh.
Ano ba yung niluto mo?
Ha?
Magpaalam na kay Arnold.
Natuwa ko yung video.
Ayan, Josh. Kinukukuhan ka ng mami mo. September 25, 2004.
Aba, nagtito mo, Josh, Nita.
Oo. Ayan, Josh. Kinukukuhan ka ng mami mo. Gusto mo close up natin bilbil ni mami. Chok, chok, chok. Chok, chok, chok. Pakita mo na. Pakita natin yung kuko mo, Josh. Josh, nagto-dirty finger ka pa. Patang ba?
Dadalhin mo yung dirty finger. Ano yung dirty finger? Kasi
Ano?
sabi na ako ng video.
You're right.
Yung kamay ko.
You're right.
Ito na ba lang?
Hmm?
I think you agree.
Josh, oh, ito yung binili namin toy sa'yo noong 2004. Yan, oh.
Ano?
2004. Presyo niyan, Josh, 3,000 pesos.
Kailangan sinabi ko
Kasi para at least malaman niya paglaki niya. Pag pinapanood na niya na to, maaalala natin. Ito yung kwarto ko dati, Josh. Ano yung kwarto na ni Lola? Look at that. That's me, oh.
grow up to be a good boy.
Yung picture ni Lolo. Tsaka ni Lola. Ito mo. Yung picture namin, oh, ni Mami. Alright? Okay sa alright? Yan kayo. Look at that mama's butt. Aaron, say hi to the camera.
Iharap ka yan sa akin.
Ayan, naharap ko na sa'yo. Wow, ano ka? Soldier? Wah! Patay na ako. Okay.
Hindi, iharap mo.
Thunder Boy! Wag, baka magtatamaan ako. Ano ginagawa niyo dito? Ha?
Iharap mo sa akin.
Ano?
Ay, ganyan.
Ikaw naman, gusto mo binibidyo ka eh. Si Ate Iya. Tama na. Ayan si Cheska. Hi, Cheska. Hi, say hi to naman to the camera. Ayan si Arcon, no?
Hello, Tito.
Arcon, wala ka masasabi kay Tito Arnold mo? At kay Tito Ardes Pidita?
Tito, yung games.
Ha?
Bibili ka ng PS2.
PS2, bibili ulit ba?
Yes.
Ha? Ano yan?
Midnight Club 2.
Sige. Magbabay ka naman kay Tito Arnold mo.
Bye, Tito.
Wala kay Lola.
Bye, Lola.
Ano si Arcon? Yan, game. Babay Tito Arnold, sabi mo. Aron, yan na, yan na! Who is the Pogi Boy? Just Nathan is the Pogi Boy. Who is the Pogi Boy? Just Nathan.
is the Pogi Boy.
Just Nathan.
Josh, look up.
Just,
Hello, Dada. Hello, Dada.
Just is a big Big boy! Ah, boy!
Wala sa mood.
Ha?
Wala sa mood. Ang pogi boy. Ang pogi niya.
Ano ginagawa mo, Josh?
Gumaganon siya. Bilis, pakita mo, Josh. Pakita mo. Pakita mo.
You're a big
Big
boy!
You're a pogi boy! Bangon!
Josh, makita mo sarili mo.
Ay, sino yung poging yan? Sino yung poging yan? Hello! Ay, ito. Hello! Who is my pogi boy?
Josh Nathan is the pogi boy.
Who is my good boy? Josh Nathan is my good boy. Who's my big boy? Who is my big
Pagpagkilan, Black sheep, have you any wool?
Yes sir, 3 bags full. Hello, Josh.
Hello, Pogi! You're a big boy! Pogi boy! Pogi boy! Josh, I will eat you! I will eat you, Josh! I will eat you! Josh, I will eat you na. I will eat you! You're a big boy! I will eat you! I will eat you! I will eat you! I will eat you! Tignan ka.
Ayan. Bilis, gawin mo ulit yun. Bilis, gawin mo, mami. Kami na. Pakitang gilas talaga tong poging to. Ano? Bilis, sapa. Talaga naman ang pogi ka. Ang galing-galing, ano? Ba, okay talaga si Pogi. Nasa mood na siya.
I will eat you, Josh! I will eat you! I will eat you! I will eat you, Josh! I will eat you! I will eat you, Pogi boy! I will eat you! I will eat you! I will eat you, Pogi boy! Nathan! Josh Nathan!
Ano?
Josh Nathan!
Look at that,
Pogi boy! Pogi boy! Josh!
Si Dado.
I will eat you! I will eat you, Josh! I will eat you,
Ay,
Josh! Josh!
Bilis.
Josh!
Pakitang gilas ka.
Josh! Come here! Josh!
Okay, bilis. pa daw. Sa punta. Ang bilis-bilis. No.
Josh!
Josh, oh.
Josh!
Mommy will go there then. Mommy will go there then. Hello, Josh. Hello, Foggy boy. Hello, Foggy boy. Come here. Come here, Foggy. Halika, Foggy. Halika, Foggy. Come here. Josh Nathan. Josh Nathan. Baba, flagship, have you any room? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. One is for the master, one is for the dame, one is for the little Josh who lives down the lane. Baba, black ship, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. Baba, black ship, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. One for the master and one for the dame. One is for little Josh who lives down the lane. Halika, bilis! Bilis! Ayaw mo? Ayun na. Come here. Come here. Bilis. Hickory, dickory, dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1. The mouse ran down. Hickory, dickory, dock. I love you. You love. Bilis na, Josh. Come here na. Look, oh. Ano? Oh. Naku na mo. Ano? Ano? La 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 la.
I will eat you, Josh! I will eat you!
Look, oh.
I will eat. Oh, why are you eating our bed na naman, ha? Josh Nathan. Pogi boy. Josh Nathan. Look, oh, Josh, oh. Josh Nathan, oh. Josh Nathan. Who is that Pogi boy? Who is that Pogi boy?
Are you the Pogi boy? Are you the Pogi boy?
Who is that Pogi boy? Josh Nathan is the Pogi boy. Who is the Pogi boy? Josh Nathan is the Pogi boy. We are the Baliw Pirates. Josh Nathan. Josh Nathan. Look who is that Pogi boy?
Black ship, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. One for the... Teka lang. Teka, pakita natin yung paa mo, Pogi. Diyan ka, diyan.
Kick mo, Josh. Kick mo.
Lakas, bilis, Pogi.
Huwag mo sabihin, Josh, pumupupo ka na naman.
Hindi.
Hmm.
Bagong discover niya lang yung... Bagong discover niya lang yan eh. Kaya ka rin.
Ano?
Sindihan na nga lang natin.
Ha? Baka masunog pa yung kamay.
Oh, please, Josh, oh. Happy birthday, Josh Nathan. Happy birthday, Josh Nathan. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Josh Nathan. Happy birthday, Josh. Tingin ka sa camera. It's my 5th month birthday. Oh, bilis.
Hindi, check ko kung may sound na.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Ngingiti. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Pogi Boy. Happy birthday, Pogi